Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your screen and stop it from flashing or flickering in Windows 10. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in System Configuration and right-click on the System Configuration search result and click on the Run as Administrator option. The System Configuration application will now display. From here, click on the Services tab. Now scroll down until you find the service called Problem Reports and Solutions Control Panel Support and uncheck the service. We'll now want to scroll down further and find the service called Windows Error Reporting Service and uncheck this service as well. Now click on the Apply and then the OK button. We'll then be asked if we want to restart our computer now or later. I'm going to select the option for Exit without restart. Now for the next step, we'll want to go into the Windows Start bar and type in Run and click on the Run application to open it up. Once Run opens up, type in appwiz.cpl and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. From here, you'll see all of the software applications installed on your computer. Look for one called Microsoft Visual C++. Now what you'll want to do is right-click on it and click on the Uninstall option. Once it fully uninstalls, you'll want to restart your computer, and this should hopefully resolve the flashing and flickering issues with your computer screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.